How are you, tigers? Today we're gonna make some homemade Kool-Aid Play-Doh. You wanna make Play-Doh? Yeah? Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a big bowl. Yes, a big bowl. We need a 1 cup measuring cup. Here you go, ma'am. Okay. We need salt. You also need flour. The recipe calls for vegetable oil, but today I'm using canola oil. And something called cream of tartar. So if you don't know what that is, that's what it looks like. Okay, here you go, ma'am. Thank you. We need 3/4 of a cup of water, a teaspoon, and you need 2 packets of your favorite colored Kool-Aid. What color do you want to use today?
Red.
Oh, okay. So this packet actually is blue, but the mix inside is actually red, from what I've heard. Actually, it's blue raspberry lemonade, so it might be blue. Mystery color! Mystery color! Alrighty, so those are all the things that you need to make Play-Doh. Alright, so the first thing you guys are going to do is we have to mix all of our ingredients together in the big bowl. So go ahead, little lady, can you grab your big bowl, please? Okay, we're going to put it right here in front of you. Right here. Okay, then we're going to measure 1 cup of flour. Okay, can you measure 1 cup of flour for mommy? Okay. Here you go. I'll hold it, or you hold it, and mommy will pour, okay? You measure 1 cup of flour. Wait, show them. Like this. See? 1 cup of flour. Now you can pour it in. 1 cup of flour. You need 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. That's this little thing. If you don't know where to find this, you can find this where the spices are in either Publix or I got this one at Walmart, so you can find that there. Let me open it. All right, you want to hold a teaspoon? Okay. Mommy can't get it. All right, there we go.
That's a flour.
Okay, can you measure 1 teaspoon for mommy? You want me to do it? And you pour, okay? All right, so hold on, let's show them. We gotta show them.
Okay.
Okay, so if you guys don't know, we're doing a heaping teaspoon of cream of tartar. You want to pour it? Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so we have our teaspoon of cream of tartar. Next, we're going to add our salt. Okay. Salt. Okay. It says to add 1/4 cup of salt. If you don't know what a 1/4 cup is, this is 1 whole cup. So 1/4 is, we break this into 4 parts, right? We only need 1 part of that 4. So we're actually going to fill just the bottom. You want to hold this up for me? Pouring. Want to give it a shake? Give it a shake. Good. Okay, so let's show everybody. Hold on. That's what it looks like. It's kind of the bottom. Okay, you go. All right. So then after that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. So I'm going to roughly add about 2 to 3 of these little guys here. Ready? You have to hold it over the bowl, Mama. This. Want to count? Count. We're going to count 3, okay? Count. 1. Good. And 2. Say 2. 2. And 1 more. There's a little 5. 3. You silly girl. She says 1, 2, 5. Anywho, so that's the oil. I'm going to put this here because now it's dirty. Okay. And then it says 3/4 cups of water. Ready? We have to pour it slowly because we don't want it splashing. Can you hold the bowl with this hand? Okay. And now we're going to put our packets. Mommy's going to open it. and you're going to pour it, okay?
Okay.
Be very careful. Here you go, 1 packet. What color is it?
Yeah.
It's blue. It's blue. So it turns out that this one is actually blue. So here we go. Ooh, and it smells really good. Do you guys have smell-o-vision? Can you smell it? Smell it. Smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wanna pour it?
What?
Ooh, cool. Okay. So she poured it in. And now, let's see. 1 cup of flour?
Yeah.
Check. 1/4 cup of salt? Check. 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar? Check. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil? Check. 2 Kool-Aid packets? Check. And 3/4 cups of water? Check. Good job. So now what you're going to do is we're going to mix it. Ready? With this time you have to hold. And now we mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. We're mixing. Mixing the Kool-Aid. Making a big mess. Anywho, does that look like Play-Doh?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
It looks like a blue, soupy mess. See? Ooh. So if that's what it looks like, you're on the right track. Okay, so just mix it, mix it, mix it. Here you go. Sorry, you want to mix? And then we're actually going to put this, hold on, slow. You have to hold the bowl, okay? You have to stick this into the microwave 50 to 60 seconds. Now for this part, you might need your mom or your dad or an adult to help you use the microwave. Because you know, we don't want an explosion of like blue slop all over the kitchen. So I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go to the kitchen, I'm gonna pop this into the microwave and I'll show you what it looks like. Wait, so here it is. Hold on. After 60 seconds in the microwave, 1 minute, I had to add more flour. I actually added another 1/2 cup of flour and I added another teaspoon of cream of tartar.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what we have. It kind of looks like blue goop. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now what you're gonna do, hold on. If you've ever baked a cake or made pizza dough, you wanna reach in there and put some flour? So hold on, let's show everybody. I have this thing on our table. It's like a plastic container just to hold everything in. We're gonna add some flour to the surface. So reach in, grab a handful, put it there. More? Let me zoom this down so you guys can see what she's doing.
Holding in my hand.
In your hand, I know. Okay, can you spread it?
Mommy, look.
We're gonna spread it. And then, ready? Mommy has to do this part. So you have to be careful because the dough will be a little warm from the microwave. So I'm just gonna scoop it out.
In my hand.
In your hand. Hold on, okay? Because it's a little warm. Mommy's gonna do it for you first. Hold on, Mama.
Mommy.
So sprinkle.
Mommy.
And then you kind of tap it. Hold on, hold on. Ooh. It's a slimy, slimy mess. Anyway, it's gonna be good fun. We need to add more flour. Here you go. Go pat it. Pat it, pat it, pat it. So we're just patting it just to make sure. Ready? Now we're gonna do like this. So now we have to incorporate all the flour until it's not sticky. You have to keep adding flour to the surface and to your hands until the dough doesn't do this. Right, Mama? Look at me. Okay? So we're oh, I thought it's blue goop. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna pause. We're gonna keep at it, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. So after kneading our dough and adding plenty of more flour, I would probably say about another 1.5 cups sprinkled. You want to show them what it looks like?
Play-Doh.
Can you hold it for them? Ta-da! We have Play-Doh, and it's moldable, and it's squishable, and it's Play-Doh. Smell it. Smells delicious?
Yeah.
Smells like raspberries. And there you have it, guys. If you want the color to be darker, you can definitely add extra packets of Kool-Aid. I also read that you can add. I'm sorry. Here you go. You can also add food coloring if you'd like to change the color, but just beware. The more Like when you add the more flour and cream of tartar, you need to add. Yeah. We love it. Do you love it? Yeah. Can you say bye to everybody?